Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a adorable crochet baby skirts designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video in different collection. So please watch this video till the end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. Get ready to create a sweet and delicate garment for your little ones. Hopefully you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till the end without skip. In this video, we will be making a stylish and gorgeous look crochet comfortable baby skirts designs ideas. These are amazing and perfect for everyday wear, special occasion, and different events. These skirts is sure to impress. Hopefully you like this all the pattern in different collection. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and textures. To shape the waist belt, we will use different techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color, and embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, and many more other accessories you use and add different. From sweet and simple to intricacy elegance, we will work on a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheter, these skirts are perfect for baby shower, gift, or just because. Hopefully you like this all the pattern in different collection. If you want more information about ladies skirts, baby skirts with blouse, tops, designs, and many more different ideas, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and different hook, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color, and embellishment to fit your little one's style. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful and lovely look comfortable crochet babies skirts designs ideas. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color, and embellishment to make this project easily and special. You can also add a special message with a special name crochet babies, frocks, and skirts designs ideas. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, and full detailed videos. If you want more information, so please visit my channel, like my videos, and see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. And if you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website, Bpattern. Okay viewers, take care. Bye bye.